First question చూడమ్మా 928.20 minus 25.6 plus 8.2. First of all, 28 minus 24. 28 minus 24 means 4. 4 plus 8, 12. And here already 900. 900 plus 12, 912. And here 0.20 plus 0.20. 0.40 minus 0.60 means 0.40 minus 0.60 means what is the remaining? Minus 0.20. Out of 40 we are minus 60, 40. What is the difference? Minus 20. What is the remaining value? 911.80. 911.80. It is multiplied by how many times? 10 times or not? Multiplied by 10 times means we are getting 918. 9118. And we are adding minus 8. Minus 8 becomes plus 8. Plus 98. And here 8 plus 8, 16. Carry value 1. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. And carry value 1. 91 plus 1 means 92. That is 9216. 9216 means that is square of 9216. That is square of 96. Then answer fifth option. Answer fifth option. Next question number 2. Second question. Let's start. Time 45 seconds. 45 seconds time. Eleven. Okay. Answer 11. First of all, 40 into 6 square. 40 into 6 square means what is the 6 square? 36. 36 into 40 means that is 1440. Square root of 676 means that is 26 minus 684. First of all, 26 and 684, that is 710. 1440 minus 710, what is the difference? 730. 730. 8030 divided by which one? 730. 0 cancel, 73 almost 11 times or not? Then answer first option, answer is second option, 11. 8030 divided by 730, we are getting 11. Next, moving on, next question. Question number 3. Start time 45 seconds. Okay, answer will be 330. What is the first answer? 19 by 80. 19 by 80 means answer we are getting 330. What is the actual value? We are getting 330. 19 by 80 means 80 into 1, 80 plus 9 means 89 by 80 multiplied by 129 by 60. 60 ones are plus 29. How much? 89. That is written as 60 by 89. Multiplied by 131 by 45. 45 ones are 45 plus 31, that is 76. 76 by 45 multiplied by something, that is equal to 418. 418. What is the right hand side value? 418. That 418, it is a 11 multiple or not? It is a 11 multiple. Any cancellation in left hand side? No. Then answer is 11 multiple or not? How many options? Only one. Next. Next question. Next, fourth question. Let's 45 seconds time. Start. I think easy question or not? Easy question. Answer first option, first option, first option. Okay. First, square root of 576. What is the square root of 576? 24. And square root of 1764. That is how much? 42. 24 plus 42, that is how much? 66. Then we required 66 square. And here 66 square means 66 is 11 multiple. 11 multiple. 66 square, it is how much? 4356. Or directly we written 66 square. What is the 66 square? 4356. Which option? First one. Next, moving on, next question. Next 45 seconds time. Don't say 9 multiple, 9 multiple. Okay. First of all, what is the 39 square? 39 square means written 1521. 1521 minus something divided by which one? 39. And 2004, it is multiplied by which one? 0.75. 0.75 means that is written as 3 by 4. 3 by 4. What is the 3/4 of 2004? 4 how many times? 501 multiplied by 3 times. That is 1503 or not? 1503. 4 how many times? 501. 501 into 3. That is 1503. What is the difference between 1521 and 1503? That is 18. Then we required something value that is equal to 18 into 39. 18 into 39. 18 into 39 means 1830 is how much? 540. 18 9s how much? 162. 540 plus 162. What is the answer? 702. 702. Which option? Fifth option. If you are verify the 13 multiple, again 13 multiples, 2 options are not. Again if you are verify the 9 multiple also 2 options are not. Next question number 6. Time 45 seconds. Start. Today questions little bit moderate questions. Okay. First, mixed fractions is given. Left hand side bracket value multiplied by something that is equal to how much? 474.5. First we are adding left hand side bracket values, sir. Left hand side mixed fractions. 2 plus 3 is how much? 5. 5 plus 9, 14. Next, All are in fractions 2 by 3, 2 by 5 and 3 by 4. What is the denominator? 3, 5, 4. What is the LCM value? 60. LCM value 60. 3 how many times? 20 times. 22 is how much? 40. Next 5 how many times? 12. 12 2 is how much? 24. Next 4 how many times? 15. 15 3 is how much? 45. First we are adding 40 plus 24, 64 plus 45. 64 plus 45 means that is 109. 14, 109 by 60. 109 by 60 means that is 149 by 60. This total value written 1549 by which one? 60 or not? 1549 by 60. 60 into 15, 900 plus 49. 900 plus 49 means that is 949 by 60 into something that is equal to how much? 4745 by 10 or not? Left hand side denominator 0, right hand side denominator 0 cancel or not? 949. 949 exactly 5 times or not? Exactly 5 times. 6 into 5 how much? 30. What is the answer? 30. 6 5 how much? 30. 949 and 4745 exactly 5 times. 5 into 6 how much? 30. Next question. Seventh question. 45 seconds time. Start. Twenty-one correct, 21 correct. Okay. Let's see the question. 48 into 90. 48 into 90 means that is 4320. 4320. And right hand side 7250 minus 2489. Left hand side 4380. It will become right hand side negative 4320. Minus 4320 written. And here 50 minus 20, 30. Plus 30. Plus 30 minus 89 means that is plus 30 minus 89 means we are getting minus 59. 100 minus 59 means answer should end with 41. Which value end with 41? Which value square end with 41? 21 square is how much? 441. 27 square 729 means it is not possible. 23 square end with 29. No. 24 square end with 576 end with 76, it is also not possible. 19 square 361, it is also not end with 41. Then answer should end with 41 means which one square? 441, that is which one square? 21. Which option? First one. Square value end with 41. 21 square. What is the 21 square? 441. Next, moving on, next question. Next, start. I think easy question or not? Next question. All are getting 5, 5, 5. Fifth option answer. I think easy question or not? Without calculating. Easy question. No relation, no relation. Okay. What is the quantity one? Quantity one, constant term is n, constant value negative. Second equation also constant value negative. Quantity one, first equation constant value negative. Second quantity also constant value negative. Both the equations quantity value are negative. Then answer relation cannot be determined. Which option? Relation cannot be established. Which option? Fifth option. Next, moving on, next question. 45 seconds. Next question. First option, first option, first option, first option, first option, first option, first option. Okay. Then answer Q1 is greater than Q2. All are getting Q1 greater than Q2. First of all, what is the quantity 1? Volume required. If side of a cube is how much? 5. What is the volume of a cube? What is the side of a cube is given? 5. Then volume of a cube means written a cube. A value 5 means a cube is how much? 125. Then quantity 1 is how much? 125. What is the second quantity? Volume required. If diameter of a sphere is how much? 6. Diameter of a sphere is 6 means what is the radius value? 300. Radius value 3. But volume of a sphere means what is the formula? 4 by 3 pi r cube. What is the pi value? 22 by 7 into r cube. R cube means written 3 into 3 into 300. Numerator 3, denominator 3 cancel. And here 4 into 22 how much? 88. 88 into 9. 88 into 9 means that is written as 720 plus 72. 792. 792 divided by 7. 7 almost 11 times. What is the remaining? 22. 22 means 3 times or not. Quantity 1 we are getting 125. Quantity 2 we are getting 113. Then quantity 1 is greater than quantity 2. Which option? First one. Next question. (45 seconds). I think easy question. 1, 1, 1. Answer 1. Okay, stop. What is the quantity 1? A bag contains 3 orange balls and 4 blue balls. If one ball is taken out randomly, then find the probability of selecting the ball of blue color. Selecting the ball of blue color. First of all, how many blue color balls? 4. Out of 4 we are choose only one ball, but total how many balls are there? 3 plus 4, total 7. Out of 7 we are choose one ball, that one ball is blue ball, means quantity 1 we return 4C1 by total how much? 7C1. 4C1 by 7C1. What is the quantity 1? 4 by 7. Next, second quantity. A bag contains 3 lime balls and 4 yellow balls. If one ball is taken out randomly, then find the probability of selecting the ball of lime color. Ball of which one? Lime color. First of all, 3 lime balls and 4 yellow balls. Total how many balls? 7. Then we return 7C1. That one ball is a which one? Lime ball. How many lime balls are there? 3. Then we return 3C1. Then 3C1 by which one? 4C1. What is the second quantity? 3 by 7. What is the first quantity? 4 by 7. Then 4 by 7 is greater than 3 by 7. Then answer first option. Quantity 1 is greater than quantity 2. Quantity 1 4 by 7, quantity 2 3 by 7. Next, moving on, next question. (45 seconds). Time start. Little bit lengthy question, but easy one. An interest of 16,720 is received when a certain sum is invested for 6 years in scheme A, which offers simple interest at 8.5% per annum, when the same sum is invested for a certain period of time in scheme B, which also offers simple interest at the same rate as in scheme A. It amounts to 55,104. What was the time period for which the sum was invested in scheme B? Means here scheme A interest is given, scheme A rate of percent is given, scheme A time period also given. What is the time period in scheme A? 6 years. What is the rate of percent? 8.5. 6 into 8.5. 6 8 is how much? 48. 6 into half 3. 48 plus 3 means 51%. Interest value 51%. In place of 51%, how much value is given? 16,720. 16,728. 16,728, it is equal to how much? 51%. Next, when the same sum is invested for a certain period of time, scheme B, which also offered simple interest at the same rate of interest, it amounts to how much? 55,104. That is amount in second one or 55,104. That is amount received one. Second case or first case? Second case. First, we need to identify the amount percentage in second one or first one? Second one. First of all, 51 how many times here? 3 times. 51 3s are 153. What is the remaining? 14. 14 means 142. How many times here? 2 times. 142 means 1 or 2 completed. What is the remaining? 20, remaining 1 or 2 completed, remaining 48. Out of 51 3s are 153. What is the remaining? 14. 142 means 51 2s are 1 or 2 completed. What is the remaining? 40 means 408. 408 means how many times? 8 times or not? 328. 328 here divide by 328 means 8 how many times? 41. 8 how many times? 6 times. 8 6 are 48. What is the remaining? 31. 8 6 are 48, remaining 71. 71 means 8 almost 8 times. 8 8 are 64, remaining 70. 70 means 8 8 are 64, remaining 64. Again how many times? 8 times or 6 888 divided by 41. 41 1s are 41, remaining 27. 278 means 7 times. 7 times. Again how many times? 8 times or not? 178. 6 888 divided by which one? 41. 41 1s are how much? 41, remaining 27. 278. 278 means 41 almost 7 times how much? 287. 278, 280, 270, 41 into 7, how much? 287. But here 278. Simplify this one, we are get the percentage or not? Actually, without writing all this one, directly we are say what is the value here? 55,104. 55,104. That is which one multiple? 7 multiple or not? That is which one multiple? 7 multiple. 7 multiple means how many options are 7 multiple? Only one or not? Which option? First one. Next question 12. Next question. Next question. A retailer bought 34 kgs of rice at a discount of 25% on the market price. Besides, he was given 6 kgs of rice free of cost by the wholesaler for a purchasing a bulk amount. If the retailer sold the entire quantity of rice by giving 5% discount on the market price to his customers, what was is approximate profit percentage అన్నట్టు, approximate profit percent. First of all, a retailer bought 34 kgs of rice at a discount of 25% on the market price. Suppose market price we are considered 20 rupees per kg, 20 rupees per kg. But he bought how many kgs? 34 kgs at a discount of how much? 25%. 25% discount. What is the market price we are considered? 20 rupees. In that how much percent discount? 25%. What is the 25% of 20? 25% of 20 means 5 rupees. 5 rupees discount means he purchased it 15 rupees per kg. 15 rupees per kg, but he purchased how many kgs? 34. Then cost price of 34 kgs, 15 into which one? 34. 15 into 34 means that is how much? 510. 510 is the cost price value or selling price value? Cost price. What is the cost price? 20 rupees actually market price. 25% discount means 5 rupees. 20 minus 5 means 15. 15 into 34. What is the value? 510. That is cost price of the 34 kgs. But he was besides he was given 6 kgs of rice free of cost by the wholesaler for purchasing a bulk amount. Means he received how many kgs? 34 plus 6. Total 40 kgs. Total how many kgs? 40 kgs. But if the retailer sold the entire quantity of rice by giving 5% discount, 5% discount on the which one? Market price. What is the market price here? 20. In that 5% discount, what is the 5% of 20? 1 rupee or not? 1 rupee discount means selling price is how much? 19 or not? 19. How many kgs? 40. What is the per kg value? 19. Then selling price is 40 into 19. 40 into 19 means how much? 760. Cost price is 510, selling price is 760. How many rupees is profit? 510 and 760. 510 and 760 means what is the profit value? 250. 250 upon which one? 510 multiplied by 100. 250 by 510 into 100. That is exactly half value or not? Nearby half value. What is the nearby half value? Half of the 100 means that is 50%. Then answer is nearby 50%. What is the nearby 50%? 49. 49. If you are using 100 rupees also, we are get the same answer. But calculation wise, out of 20 rupees, 25% easy. Or if you are using x rupees, x తీసుకున్నా సేమే వస్తుంది, 100 రూపీస్ తీసుకున్నా సేమే వస్తుంది. 20 తీసుకుంటే క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ ఈజీ. 5% వాల్యూ అండ్ 25% వాల్యూ ఈజీ. మార్కెట్ ప్రైస్ 20 రూపీస్ తీసుకుంటే కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్ ఎంత అవుతుంది? 15. ఫర్ హౌ మెనీ కేజెస్? 34. 15 into 34 means what is the total cost price? 510. But selling price, how many cages he received? 34 plus 6. Total 40 cages are received. But selling at 5% discount on the market price. What is the market price we are taken? 20. In that 5%, what is the 5% of 20? 1 rupee. Then 1 rupee discount means what is the selling price? 19. Per kg value 19. Total how much? 40. 40 into 19 how much? 760 అన్నాడు. ఎజ్యూమ్ 100 రూపీస్ ఎజ్యూమ్ చేసుకున్నా సేమ్ ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది, ఎక్స్ ఎజ్యూమ్ చేసినా సేమ్ ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది. కానీ 20 క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసుకోవడం ఈజీ కదా, 15 19 నియర్ బై వాల్యూస్ కాబట్టి ఈజీ క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ వస్తుంది. ఆన్సర్ 49. నెక్స్ట్ 13th క్వశ్చన్. Next one. Start. What is the question here? The respective ratio between ratio of Pranith's present age and his son's present age is 8:5. And the present age of Pranith's son is 40 years. How many years from now will the respective ratio of their ages will become 3:2? What the present ratio is given? 8:5. But present age of Pranith sons is how much? 40 years. But how many years from now will the respective ratio of their age will become 3:2? At present 8:5, but after some years, the ratio will be changes to 3:2. Present difference in how many parts? 3 parts. Means future also difference 3 parts means it is multiplied by how many times? 3 times. 3 3 is how much? 9. 3 2 is 6. At present ratio 8:5, but after some years it will become how much? 9:6. 8 parts becomes 9 parts means how many parts is increased? 1 part. And here question, already present age of Pranit is how much? 40 years. What is the Pranit present? 8 parts. 8 parts is how many years? 40. But required after how many years means how many parts are increased? 1 part. 8 parts are 40. Then 1 part is how many years? 5 years. 1 part is 5 years. And already we know 2 persons difference, either present, past or future is always same. And here present to future, each one how many parts are increased? 1 part, but 8 parts value already given. How much? Present age of Pranit son or Pranit? Pranit son. Sorry, Pranit son means how many parts? Sorry Amma, it is Pranit son. Pranit son is how many parts? 5 parts. 5 parts is how many years? 40. What is the 1 part value? 80. 8 years. Sorry, it is answer 8 years, not 5 years. Answer 8 years. It is Pranit son, not Pranit. Pranit is how many parts? 5 parts. 5 parts are 40. What is the 1 part value? 8. It is Pranit son, not Pranit value. Pranit son is how many parts? 5 parts. 5 parts are 40. What is the 1 part value? 8 years. Next question name. Next one. Okay, A is greater than B by how much? 26. Answer 40, 40, 40, 40. Okay, 40 correct. A is greater than B by how much? 26. The respective ratio between A and B is 29:16. 29 and 16. How many parts difference? 13 parts. What are the 13 parts value? 26. Difference in parts 13 parts. Age difference 26. 13 parts are 26 means what is the 1 part value? 2 years. Then A value 29 parts means 58. B value 16 parts means 32. What is the value of third number Z? If the value of Z is 25% more than the B, B is compared to Z, the value of Z is 25% more than the B or not? Already B 32, it is come 25% more. 25% more means what is the 25% of 32? 8. 32 plus 8 means how much? 40. Which option? Fourth one. Okay, thank you Amma.